Hey, and welcome back. So, this was the review and a little test drive for the 9115 monster truck. In my opinion, it's worth its money. So, I'm going to give you the cons first. What can I say? That the battery doesn't last very long. It's like 15 minutes of hard going, but never mind. Now the throttle sticks on this sometimes, but what I was doing was just turning the controller off and back on again, and it seemed to stop it for a while. I think the problem is with that. What else is there? Oh, the steering. The steering is so sharp. There's not much give to it, you know. You just try to do a little bit of a turn, and next minute you're just veering off to the left, veering off to the right. And it's a bit of a job to get used to, but I think that's the key. Just get used to it, because I'm so used to these guys. This is a different horse altogether. So let's get straight on to the pros. It is cheap. A lot of car for the price. I paid £60, what's that, $80? And it is a huge, magnificent monster truck with funky wheels. Oh, that's another thing. These are just road tyres that come with it. Don't expect any grip on the grass. That's for show. Or going up any incline. So I don't know if I'm going to get grippier tyres. We'll see. Because I'm not sure how often I'm going to be driving this. I think I'll just give it to my son so he can practice how to drive and stop wrecking my other cars. I'm only joking. It's fast. This is quite nippy. It's rear wheel drive. Well, that's a good thing. So there's less to go wrong in the front, I suppose, since that's what takes all the bashing. We'll just be replacing swing arms, I suppose. It's just a few swing arms, maybe a couple of springs. You know, no diffs or no gears in the front to mash her, which is kind of funky, I suppose. It's such a good looking car. I've scratched the hell out of this so far, but never mind. Yeah, I was saying the battery doesn't last very long, but that doesn't matter because I noticed it didn't take very long to charge. I just spiked my finger there. Oh, I've drawn blood. Never mind. Yeah, it didn't take long, like half an hour, and I know it was. They come somewhat charged, don't they? Yeah, I reckon under an hour to get this bad boy charged, whereas this takes an hour and a half, and this takes an hour, 40-50 minutes, almost 2 hours. And the controller only takes 2 AA batteries. Once I got into it, to screw it open and everything. What else is there? Oh, turning it on, you've got to unclick this, take that out, and then turn it on and then get this back in. It'd be nice if the on switch was just sort of under one of these arches. But no, man, I suppose it's just protection. I don't think it's water. I don't think it's, you know, submerged in water and it's going to survive, but I reckon it's going to survive a couple of puddles and certainly just damp conditions, like a wet floor, which is fun, eh? So that's it really. Was it a good buy? I think it was. Because I wasn't too sure of the off-roading, because I've always been more of a tarmac track kind of guy, and having these race cars. But for the price, I thought, yeah, let's buy it and risk it. And I'm sold, I suppose. I'm going to try and get like a cheetah or something next, something with real power, so I can do some real performance. But until I find somewhere worth going, I'll take this one here first. Bash it about a bit before I spend 200 bucks on a car, but there we go. I don't know if there's any local skate parks around here. If there is, I'm going to take them down. Don't know if I'll take the 959s down, because I don't really want to break them. Because you will break a car at a skate park. That's what you go there for. You go there to break a car. So unless you want to spend money on parts, try and go somewhere that's not going to send your car into outer space and then come back down on its face. Okay, so that's it. That's the review. I would give this, out of 10, I would give this an 8, I suppose. Yeah, give it an 8. I'll give it an 8. Quite a healthy 8, but 60 quid. What can you do? So, until next time, take care. Bye bye.